What's up, guys? So I just have a little job over here in Tulsa doing a few rooms of carpet on a move out clean. We've got a couple areas, some light staining, mostly wear patterns, a nice little view. Got 3 rooms, 2 sets of stairs, and this big hallway here. So it shouldn't be too much work other than up and down the stairs all day. I'll give you guys a little tour here. Client just wants us to get it nice and clean for her so she can hopefully get her whole deposit back. So we are going to get all this removed. Here I got some a little bit of Frog Nasty and some Black Label pre-spray mixed up. So I will grab the tripod and get all this pre-sprayed and show you guys that process. All right, like I said, we got some Frog Nasty with the Black Label pre-spray. So we're just gonna go ahead and pre-spray everything now. Patterns, just a little bit of yellowing in here, so we'll make sure that we get that nice and pre-sprayed. Alright guys, we got everything pre-sprayed, and you always want to pre-spray before you set up your hoses, and that way gives it some time to dwell before you get going. Got a beautiful view on the storm coming in, Tulsa area. I love cleaning out here, such an old city. guys, we are all done. Everything cleaned up really well. This might be my new favorite part to clean. Carpet to clean. You guys remember that black stain that was right there? Ain't no more. A little bit of wear here in the hallway, but that'll lighten as it dries. Those furniture marks just, they look kind of bad, but it's not dirt. There's that room. And that yellow that I was pre-treating up here. No more yellow. Alright guys, well, I'm gonna grab this customer and go through everything with her, and I'll see you guys on the next job.